probably heard this before. Your brain never truly sleeps. Even at night, it is processing, organizing, and storing everything you learned during the day. Now, here is the real question. Are you using that time to improve your English? Because if you want to stop translating in your head and start speaking fluently, you have to train your brain before you sleep. You've already mastered your mornings with my 3 morning habits video, but today we are finishing the job. I'm giving you 7 simple evening habits to help you think in English and even dream in English, starting tonight. Let's start easy, because most people quit writing when it feels too hard. So here is your rule. Write just 1 sentence. That's it. Use simple phrases like, "Today was stressful because I had a lot of work," or "I felt happy when something good happened." Don't write a novel, just 1 sentence. Because this habit shifts your brain from studying English to living in English. Now, while you are brushing your teeth or getting ready for bed, start narrating your day in English. Use simple connectors. First, after that, finally. For example, first I went to work. After that, I met my friend. Finally, I came home and relaxed. This builds a powerful skill, speaking without stopping and thinking without translating. And most importantly, telling your story naturally. Before sleep, your brain is tired, so don't force it. Instead, use passive listening. Put on a calm English podcast or a relaxing video. You can even listen to English Unleashed podcast. And remember, you don't need to understand everything. Just listen to the rhythm, the tone, the flow of English as you slowly fall asleep. Here is something most learners ignore. Your phone controls your language.